There are now millions of people all around the world who are experiencing the incredible healing benefits of drinking 16 ounces of straight celery juice every day on an empty stomach. One of the most common questions is, which juicer is the best for making celery juice? Before we see top 3 juicers, let me explain difference between masticating and centrifugal juicer. The best juicer for juicing celery is a cold press masticating juicer. Masticating juicers more gently and slowly extract the juice from celery and don't generate as much heat during the juicing process. This helps to preserve as much of the nutrients in your celery as possible and minimize oxidation. Masticating juicers will also extract as much juice as possible from your celery, which means you will use less celery to get your 16 ounces of juice than you would if you used a centrifugal juicer. Another benefit of masticating juicers is that they are quiet. This makes them the perfect juicer for making celery juice first thing in the morning without waking up anyone else in your home. Centrifugal juicers will still juice celery, so they are certainly great to use. Celery juice made in a centrifugal juicer and consumed right away is still very healing. However, if you are able to use a masticating juicer, the juice produced will be higher quality and richer in nutrients. Now, let's see 3 masticating juicers that juice celery well for you to consider. Each juicer is different in its quality and cost. There are 3 options so you can select the one that fits your personal needs and budget as you'll wish. The Aicon masticating juicer is an entry-level, lower-priced cold-press juicer. It can juice celery as well as other fruits and vegetables such as wheatgrass, leafy greens, ginger, apples, oranges, etc. better masticating vegetables and fruits than other juicers. Higher juice yield and drier pulp. The auger on this juicer spins at 80 revolutions per minute, which allows vitamins, enzymes, minerals, trace minerals and nutrients to be better preserved than a centrifugal juicer. Keep minimal oxidation, low heat buildup, less foaming and no clogging. Omega masticating juicer. This is a great mid-range masticating juicer that produces high-quality cold-pressed juice. The Omega masticating juicer also uses a low speed of 80 revolutions per minute, which results in minimal heat buildup and oxidation and more nutrient-rich juice than a centrifugal juicer can produce. This is a dual-stage juicer, which means the juice is first extracted by crushing the fruit or vegetable. Then, before the pulp is ejected, the pulp is squeezed during the second press stage. This results in a higher yield of juice and a very dry pulp. The Omega can juice celery, as well as fruits, vegetables, leafy greens and wheatgrass. Greenstar masticating juicer. The Greenstar is higher-end masticating juicer that produces very high-quality and nutrient-dense juice. It's considered to be one of the very best masticating juicers available. It uses a slow 110 revolutions per minute cold-pressed juice extraction so there is minimal oxidation and nutrient loss. The Greenstar uses stainless steel and bioceramic magnetic twin gears that are said to extract juice of higher nutritional content and stabilizing the juice so it remains fresher longer. This juicer can juice celery along with vegetables, fruits, greens, and wheatgrass. Look at description below video, you can find links to these juicers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.